Everybody, Marcus Stone here. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can market a video production company, or if you are a video producer, how you can get more clients. I was a co-partner in a video production company. I was trying to get clients and it went pretty successfully. But after that, I jumped on a YouTube ship. So I'm right now making only videos for YouTube. Why did I make the change? I made a change because I'm from Slovakia, and in Slovakia there is not such a high demand for video production, and there are just three big players right now on the whole market who are getting everything. So it would take me really long time to get the small portion of pie. So I decided it will be much better to join on YouTube. But I did get clients. It was tough. And I created some good strategies, and I hope it will help you too. So let's start. Let's say that you're a video production company or you're a video producer. First, what you need to understand is, okay, choose one thing and do that. We were focusing mainly on the weddings, which were pretty successfully during the summer. We had like 4 or 5 weddings per month. And it's really cool because if you're gonna put your 100% energy to one thing, it will grow. You can go video production for wedding and also video production for company videos, because if a company sees that, okay, you are making also weddings, they'll be like, nah. If you're gonna go product videos, go only product videos. Of course, if you're gonna do product videos, there are much more money and you can do it during the whole year. And you can also make review videos. It's really simple. So what I would recommend, if you're starting or if you're just having a few clients, choose one thing and do that. And be extremely well in that field. So for example, we had plenty of people who wanted to shoot the wedding from us because we were so great. We were top of the chain, if I can say that. But the market was small because there wasn't enough people and the people weren't making enough money. If you are from the US, where people spend a lot of money on weddings, oh mamma mia. Like, I would capitalize so much if I would be on a market like in the US or in the UK where people take loans to get a wedding. Like, goddamn, that's such easy money in my opinion. So one thing and do that. The next thing is a good site. You can use WordPress, you can pay someone. We were doing also sites, so if you want, I can help you with that. Good site, which needs to be lean. It needs to be not hard to load, and it needs to be responsive for mobile. This is also pretty important because many people, if you're for example going for weddings, the woman will try to search you on mobile. They won't go on a PC because everyone is using smartphone all the time. So be careful of that also. And now, if you have a product, if you want to make a product videos, really important. Also easy. No, don't talk about the prices. Never have a price on your site how much your wedding costs. You need to offer the big value to the client, to the potential client, and then say them the price. And there is a yes or no, but if they like you, they will take you and they will pay for it. I'm telling you right now, but you need to be really, you need to stand on your values you have. Now, the marketing side, which you like the most. Upload your creations on YouTube, not on Vimeo. I see plenty of times that video producers and video production companies, they're uploading their video creations on the Vimeo because the quality is much higher, but no one goes on Vimeo. Like, I was trying to say this so many times. People go on YouTube, they search on YouTube, and I will get to that. If it's a wedding, upload wedding on YouTube with the keywords of your town, where you're located, of your area. Wedding Jessica and James, Las Vegas. Let's say I'm from Las Vegas. So I will put the keywords like Las Vegas weddings, Las Vegas wedding, and it will start to get recommended. People, when they search on a Google search, and they will write their wedding video I don't know, Las Vegas, your video can show up. So that's pretty important. And also you need to have in the description your email so they will contact you, and also your site. How to do that if you don't have any footage already, that you didn't do any wedding but you want to start? There are a few things. You can build up your portfolio by just doing free stuff, free work. Let's say that I think it's a really great way, or just really with a minimum payment, like $200 or $100, like whatever you are learning. And this can be really good for production companies. And if you want to make a product video, what you do, you say to the company, hey, I like video editing, I like capturing, I like making videos. Can I make a promotional video of your product completely for free? And be like, hell yeah. And you would do that. And there's like continual process. Like in 1 year, when you make, I don't know, 7, 10 free videos, yes, I know it will take time. Yes, I understand it's time consuming, but it's a process. Now you will have some credits that, okay, you can say that when you contact another company, I made video for them. But for the next company, you are going to ask money. That's how it works. That's how easy it is. And now let's continue. You can use also Google AdWords. There are plenty of courses. We were doing that also, so I can help you with that if you want to get clients. If you're located in Las Vegas, in New York, you can let the Google know that, okay, I want to show you my ad, Las Vegas video producer, Las Vegas promo video for company, and play around it, play what people are searching for, like easy wedding, like best weddings in Las Vegas, and your ad would show up. They would click on your site. So as I mentioned, use Google AdWords to your advantage. For paying $200, $300, you can get awesome results on Google AdWords. And the last thing, use Facebook groups to get also clients, join local groups, and try not to spam. If you made a really great wedding video, you can share it in a group that you made really cool, nice video in a great locality, and you will ask what do they think about it in your group. And that's how you do the branding. That's how you can achieve it. What you need to understand that most of your clients will get through referrals. Like people will say, oh my God, he made a video for us. That company made a video for us. They can make a video for you too. So that's how you get more and more clients. It's a snowball process. If you start right now with these strategies, I already told you, in 3 years, you will be making like $70,000, $800,000 yearly. I believe in that. Easy. But guys, you need to have passion for it. You honestly need to have passion, as I do for video editing and also marketing and also talking. You need to have a passion for the work you do. It's the only way how you can succeed in life. Because if you don't do something which is deep inside you, that, okay, I know this is right, you won't succeed. And even if you do succeed, you will hate it. And you don't want to hate your work, because people will get depressed, anxious, etc. Thank you all, everybody. If you like this video, you can support me and subscribe. Also write down below in the comments that your site, your idea you want to do, where are you from, and I will try to help you. And write me also on an email. I do consultation and I can help you with your site. I can help you with the Google AdWords. And that's kind of it. Thank you all, everybody, and goodbye.